So I did a real bad. I peeled off all of my gel nails because they were getting to that point where they were starting to peel. Look at the damage. Look at the damage done. Not good. I was driving in the car and I know it's like really damaging to your nails, but I left a couple, and now that I'm home, I'm gonna do it the right way with this product. This is the Oliver brand. This makes quick work out of gel nail removal, which can sometimes be like a really arduous process. I'm going to show you how this stuff works. It's awesome. All you need for this is a nail file, and I'm just going to lightly scuff up the top of the gel nails, which will give this an opportunity to penetrate through the cured nail polish. So now that my polished nails are filed, I'm just going to take the Oliver nail polish gel remover. That's what it looks like. It's not super thick. It's kind of a strange consistency, actually. Well, you'll see. I'll put it on. It's kind of chunky. It's almost like a gel, and this is what it looks like. Kind of a chunky gel. I can definitely feel it working, and by feel it working, I mean it almost feels like my nail is getting tight, but it doesn't hurt. And we're gonna leave it on for 5 to 6 minutes, and that's it. So it's been a few minutes, and here's what I'm doing. As it's starting to sort of chunk up, I'm taking one of these cuticle pusher, scraping off the top layer, and then I'm gonna go in with more. As far as the scent goes, it's not strong, but it does smell like kind of paint thinner. See how that just kind of pushes it off? Kind of turns it into a gelatin. Interesting. I am back after using my Oliver nail polish gel remover, and I want to show you the difference. Look at the damage that pulling it off did to my nail on this finger versus doing it the right way with an actual gel nail remover. Here, I'll show you my thumbs as well. I did have to do a bit of scraping. I went and got my metal nail scraper tool because it was just a little bit more durable than this one. I don't have any residual paint thinnery smell on my hand. I think this is great to have on hand because I need to have something that works fairly quickly, something that will hopefully prevent me from causing damage like that to my nails by peeling them off. Hope that was helpful.